Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you the Facecol filter mask inlays right after this.
And we're back. So today in this video, we are going to be working with the Facecol face mask filters by Nina Coldenhoe. This is a non-woven material that is made out of a combination of polyester material and paper. It allows air to pass through with an extreme ease, while also blocking the majority of germs and moisture from getting through. So let's get started.
Okay, and today we're going to show you how to put these into our coastal masks. So the first mask we have is our cotton mask, and this one already has 2 layers and an opening on either side. So what you're going to do is just kind of fold it and shove it in this layer here. And then grab it from the other side, and then you can straighten it out as you pull it in. There you go. And then the next one we're going to show you is our black trim mask. And what we're going to do is just kind of slice the edges because this is 2 layers. And because the filter is a little bit bigger than the mask, I'm just going to trim up the corners a little bit. And again, we're going to work it in on one side and pull it through on the other. And there you go. Now you have a little extra protection with these masks.
These durable and disposable filters are available online in multi-packs at coastalbusiness.com. Be sure to check those out. Thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we'll see you next time.